Good morning, students. In our previous video, we discussed one of the identity. First identity. What is that? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. With the help of the identity, we have to factorize some of the polynomials. What is factorization? Factorization means, okay, one of the polynomial can be multiplied, that means can be represented by product of more polynomials, that is known as factorization. Already you know that. Okay, so how to factorize this polynomial with the help of identity number 1. Okay, so first of all you have to identify perfect square of the extremes. That means 25 is also perfect square, 5 square and a. So this can be written as 5a whole square. 5 square, 25a square. Last one, 4. 16 is a perfect square. 4 square, 4b whole square. 4b whole square means 4 square, 16b square. So you get a square and b square. Okay, so a square, b square. Middle one, 2a, 5a and b, 4b. Check it. So 5a square, 25a square, 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, ab plus 4b square. Now this is in the form of, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that equal to a plus b whole square. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that equal to a plus b whole square. Here a equal to 5a, b equal to 4b. Okay, so this can be written as, that means 25a square plus 40ab plus 16b square can be represented by a means 5a. Here a equal to 5a plus b equal to 4b whole square. So 5a plus 4b whole square means 5a plus 4b is multiplied by 2 times. That means 5a plus 4b into 5a plus 4b. So the given polynomial can be expressed as product of two polynomials. So this is known as factorization. Okay, say next one, factorize 49x square plus 70xy plus 25y square with the help of appropriate identity. Okay, so now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, how to identify a and b values? First of all, we have to take extremes, 49x square and 25y square. So 49 is a perfect square. So this can be written as 7x square 49. So 7x whole square. 7x whole square. 7 square 49x square. Last one, 25. That means 5 square and y square. 25 is a perfect square. 5 square y square. So that means 5y whole square. So 5 square 25 y square. So this is also perfect square. This is also perfect square. You got a square and b square. Now middle one, 2ab. 2a means here 7x. b means 5y. Okay, now you check it. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 10 7s are 70, x into y, xy, 70xy. So this is expanded form. Now we observe this in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to 7x and b equal to 5. Okay, so now 49x square plus 70xy plus 25y square is equal to a plus b whole square. Here a equal to 7x, b equal to 5y whole square. 7x plus 5y whole square. So This can be written as 7x plus 5y into 7x plus 5. So that means the given polynomial can be expressed as product of another two polynomials. This is known as factorization. The next one, same model, 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. Factorize it using appropriate, that means suitable identity. So this is also positive, positive. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a perfect square. What is that? 4 square means 16. So 16x square can be written as 4x whole square. 4 square 16 x square. And 9y square. 9y square can be expressed as 3y whole square. 3 square 9y square. Okay. So this is 16x square. This is 9y square. Middle one 2ab. 2a 9x and b 3y. Okay. Now you observe. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 xy. Now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to 4x and b equal to 3y. Okay, now we substitute it. 16x square, 24xy and 9y square. This is given polynomial can be expressed as a plus b, 4x plus 3y whole square. So 4x plus 3y whole square means, okay, 4x plus 3y is multiplied by 2 times. So 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. So that means the given polynomial can be expressed as product of two polynomials. This is known as factorization. Okay, next we have to discuss next identity. Okay, with the help of first identity already we did some of the problems. Now we are entering into second identity, identity number 2. Already you know this identity in your 8th class. What is that? A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Once again I recall it. How to proof. So a minus b whole square, you take LHS, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b. Okay, so find out the product. How to find out the product? Using with a into a square minus a into b, ab. Okay, next minus b into a, minus b into a, minus ba. Minus bar, you write minus ab. Okay, minus of minus plus b into b, b square. That equal to a square. Minus ab. So minus 2ab. Minus 1, totally minus 2ab plus b square. You get RHS. So hence we proved this second identity. What is that? A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So with the help of this identity we have to do some of the problems. The product of x minus y into x minus y. So here x minus y is multiplied by 2 times. That means x minus 5 whole square. Now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay, here a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to what? X. B equal to what? 5. Okay, so a equal to x, b equal to 5. Substitute them. So that means x minus 5 whole square equal to x square minus 2ab. 2a means x, b means 5. 2ab plus b square means 5 square. That equal to x square minus 5 2s are 10x plus 5 square equal to 25. 5 square means 5 into 5, 25. So find, this is known as expanded form of x minus 5 whole square. Next one, expand 5m minus 2n whole square. So expand it. Okay, very clear. This is in the form of a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 5m minus 2n whole square equal to, here a equal to how much? 5m, and b equal to how much? 2n. Substitute them. So 5m whole square minus 2ab. 2a means 5m and b means 2n plus 2n whole square. Okay, instead of a you substitute 5m, b you substitute 2m. Okay, so 5 square means 25 am square. 5 square means 5 into 5, 25. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, m into n, mn, plus 2 square, 4 m square. So this is the expanded form of 5m minus 2n whole square. Evaluate 999 into 999. So 999 can be expressed as 1000 minus 1 into 1000 minus 1. So 99 can be expressed as 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1 into 1000 minus 1, that equal to 1000 minus 1 whole square. Now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay, here a equal to 1000 and b equal to 1. Substitute it. So that equal to 999 into 999 equal to, okay, that means 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1 whole square equal to a square. 1000 whole square minus 2, a means 1000, b means 1 plus 1 square. So 1000 square means we have 3 zeros, we write 6 zeros. And 2000 plus 1. Okay, so substitute them and adding 1. Okay, so how much? 10 lakhs minus 2000. 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. This is 10. 10 minus 2 8. Now 9 is there and remaining 9. Okay, so that is 9 lakhs 98,000 plus 1, that equal to 9 lakhs 98,001 is the answer.